Welcome, in front of me I have Panasonic TV, and today I'll show you how you can change aspect ratio. At first you have to click menu button on your remote control. Next, tap OK when you are in the picture mode, and you will be at the upper section of this list, so you have to simply scroll down by using arrows on your remote control and find the screen settings. To enter you have to click OK, and here you can find the aspect ratio, so click OK to enter, and right now we can easily change it by tapping on the right arrow. And here we can pick the automatically 60:9, 4:3 and zoom. I'm going to stay with the 60:9, so click OK to confirm, and after that you can simply go back. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.